Hey guys, it's my first video. I'm super excited. I'm doing cool crafts with you guys. And here's the first one. Oh, never mind. So, my favorite time is 8:24 at night. Or in the morning, I mean. And the night. So I said time, and it's just 8:24. It looks like 42, but it's 42, 8. 42, 8. It's 36. Okay, here's 36. So I'm gonna be showing you some cute emoji stuff. So one, 2, 3, 4. By the way, I made these all. Pooh. My best buddy. Bye. That's my little crafts. Bye.